video lesson is about arithmetic sequence. What you will learn with this video lesson. Number 1, you will learn the definition of arithmetic sequence. Next, you will learn the derivation of the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Third, given the first few terms of an arithmetic sequence, you will learn how to find the common difference and the nth term for an specified n. To explore, let us use this situation. No littering campaign. A school sets a fine of 30 pesos for the first littering offense. The fine increased by 5 pesos for each subsequent offense. How much will a student be fined for the second offense, third offense, sixth offense? Let us list the fines for each subsequent offense. The fine for the first offense is, for the second, 35, for the third, 40, for the fourth offense, 45, for the fifth offense, 50, for the sixth offense, 55. Thus, the 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 is a sequence in which the difference between any term and the preceding one is 5. This type of sequence is called arithmetic sequence. Okay, a rule that tells how to find a term using the previous term is called recursive definition of a sequence. The following recursive definition defines the arithmetic sequence 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 is a sub n equals 30 and a sub n equals a sub the difference of n and 1 plus 5 for each integer n is greater than or equal to 2. Meaning, so kung ito yung second term natin, to find this, so ang n dito ay 2. So, kung 2 ang n minus 1, so maging a sub 1 sa previous term. Previous term plus 5, siya yung second term. So, yung third term naman, ang n dito is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Ibig sabihin, second term. So, second term plus 5 equals the third term. Next, dito sa fourth term, ang n dito ay 4. So, 4 minus 1, 3. So, meaning dito, a sub 3 or the third term plus 5, siya na yung fourth term, so on and so forth. A sequence in which a constant d is added to the previous term to get the next term is called arithmetic sequence. Yan, malinaw yan ha. So, ito yung definition. Malinaw. The constant is called the common difference. So, ito yung identity ng arithmetic sequence. Yan ang tandaan natin. Example, for each arithmetic sequence, identify the first term or a sub 1, the common difference or the d, and then end the next two terms. So, ito yung sequences na to ang hanapan natin ng a sub 1, common difference, and the next two terms. For letter A, the first term is 2. And how can we get the common difference? The common difference ay second term minus the first term lang. Di kay third minus the second. Di kay fourth minus the third. So, ito, 11 minus 8, or di kay 8 minus 5, or di kay 5 minus 2, the common difference is 3. Okay. Now, how can we obtain the next two terms? O, itong 11 lang, plus the common difference, equals 14. Next to 14, okay, plus the common difference. Siya na yung next. Ayan. The next two terms of the first sequence are 14 and 17. Next, letter B. The first term is 1. The common difference, so as I said, second term minus first term. Di kaya third minus second. Or di kaya fourth minus third. Okay. So, common difference dito ay 1/3. To obtain the next two terms, so yung common difference lang, add lang natin sa previous na 2 and 1/3. Pag ipa-plus natin, the result is 2 and 2/3. Next ng 2 and 2/3, plus lang natin, ipa-plus lang natin yun sa 1/3. So, the result is 3. Next, last. Ayan na, the first term, 17. The common difference, so first minus second, so 12 minus 17 equals -5. Okay, to get the next two terms, so -3 plus -5 is -8. -8 plus -5 equals -13. Okay, eto ay hayaan ko lang kayo dito. Bahala na kayo kung gagawin nyo. Sa inyo na, ayan. Okay. Notice that, or let us observe the process to derive the formula of the arithmetic sequence. Ito na. Ayan. Observe lang. Gamitin natin yung sequence na 2, 5, 8, 11. Ayan na. Nilatag na lahat. A sub 1 is 2. Yung A sub 2, okay, yung first term plus 3 equals 5. A sub 3, ayan, yung second term plus the common difference. Common difference to. Okay. Or may isa pang process, pwedeng si common difference plus the product of 3 and 2. Ang 3 na to, itong 3 na to, ito yung common difference. Ang 2 na to, saan ang galing? So, dito yan sa third. Diba? Third term, ang n ay 3. So, bawasan lang ng 1 equals 2. So, malinaw, ito ay n minus 1. Ang n natin ay 3. Ayan. So, 2 times 3 plus 2 equals 8. O, equal lang din dito sa 5 plus 3. Next, number 4, or a sub 4, or the fourth term, ayan, yung third term plus the common difference. Or di kaya'y first term plus, eto saan galing tong unang 3? Mula dito sa 4 minus 1. Nagma-minus lang ng 1 yung bilang ng term. Times the common difference, yung pangalawang 3. O equal sa 11. See, pares lang sila. So, another, ito na. Para makita na natin ang formula. Ayan. Ayan, malinaw naman yung A sub 1, A sub 2. Dito tayo sa A sub 3. Ito, wala ng questions kasi nga, ayan naman na yung A sub 1 plus D. Kaya yung una, yung A sub 1 or the first term. O, dito sa A sub 3, diba, ang A sub 3 ay equal sa A sub 2 or second term plus the common difference. Or, yung kanina, yung isang process, first term plus 2D. O, malinaw naman kung saan galing yung 2. Yung coefficient ng common difference ay dito yan sa number of term, minus 1. Next, for the fourth term, okay, to obtain the fourth term, yung previous term lang, plus the common difference. Or di kaya'y first term plus 3D. So, ang 3 again, yung 3 na to, yung coefficient ng common difference, ay dito yan sa n minus 1, di ba? Pabawas lang. Bawasan lang ng 1 ang n. Siya yung coefficient ng common difference. So, ngayon, paano yung a sub n? Pag a sub n, ayan, pinakita na. A sub n, so, hindi natin alam kung pag ilang term. So, basta kung pang ilang term yan, a sub n minus 1, di ba? Kaparas dito, nag-minus 1. Kasi ito yung 4, tapos dito ay 3. Okay, plus d. Or di kaya yung a sub 1 plus ito ay ang n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, kung pang ilang term yun, times d. Ito na ngayon ang formula ng nth term ng arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the product of n minus 1. Okay. Ngayon, gamitin na natin ang formula para di na tayo maglo-long process. Okay, etong example na to, gamitin natin. A company offers Alan a starting yearly salary of 240,000 with raises of 20,000 pesos per year. What will be his salary on the 10th year? So, ang hanapin natin yung pang 10th year niyang salary. So, identify muna natin ang given. Ang first term natin ay ito. Okay, 240,000. Ang common difference natin ay 20,000 pesos. At ang N natin ay 10. Kasi yun yung hanapin natin. Yung kailangan nating term. So, formula, uli. Tapos, substitute lang natin ang given sa formula. Tingnan nyo, ang N pinalitan ng 10, ang A sub 1 pinalitan ng 240,000. Ayan, 10 uli para sa N. Tapos, ang D ay 20. After substitution, simplify natin. Ayan, ito ay 9 times 20 plus 240,000. So, ito na yung magiging sweldo niya sa ika-10th year niya sa kanyang pinagtatrabaho or sa company nag-offer sa kanya. Next example. Okay, find the 16th term of the sequence 1, 5, 9, 13. So, given ulit, ang 1 ay first term, common difference, 5 minus 1 lang. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, next, ang n natin ay 16. Ayan, pinakita talaga paano dito makuha ang common difference. Okay, formula ulit. Memorize na yung formula ha. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the product of d and n minus 1. So, substitute. Okay, yan formula. Substitute yung step na yun. Yun ang tandaan nyo. Una lang naman, unang step to solve, identify the given. Next, yung formula. Balikan nyo ulit, formula. Tapos, substitute yung given sa formula. Tapos niyan, i-simplify. Ayan, di ba 16 minus 1, 15 times 4, plus 1 is 61, the 16th term of the sequence 1, 5, 9, 13. Next, find the nth term of the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, so on and so forth. Okay, kanina pala, di ko ito nabasa yung, ano na yan, yung tatlong dots na yan. Ang tawag nga uli ng tatlong dots na yan, o alam na nila yon nung sa first video. Okay, the given are a sub 1 is 3, the common difference is 4, the formula, yung formula memorize na. Next, after that, substitute the given to the formula. Ayan na, alam na kung ano, wala tayong a sub, wala tayong ano, n. Ayan, yun ang nth term ang hanapin natin. Okay, kung anong meron, yun lang yung substitute natin. Next, i-simplify natin yan. So, ayan, ito ay 4 times negative 1, negative 4. 4 times n is 4n, positive 4n. Okay, next. Combine the similar terms. Okay, yung 3 and negative 4 or 3 minus 4. So, yung a sub n natin or ito yung nth term ng given sequence. A sub n equals 4d minus 1. So, 4. Okay, 4n. Ako, hindi pala to Dito, N to ha, correction na lang. O, narinig nyo naman ha, N. This is not D. Okay, walang D dito. So, error lang. Okay, narinig nyo naman. Di ko na uulitin tong video na to. So, this is A sub N equals 4N minus 1. So, narinig ninyo ang correction. Okay, next. For number 5. In the sequence 50, 45, 40, 35, which term is 5? So, ito na, given is, ito na, ang a sub 1 natin is 50, a sub n natin ay 5, ang common difference natin ay negative 5. O, formula, ayan, okay, ayan, napaka-importante ng formula, no? Yan. Okay, next, substitute. Yung a sub n natin ay 5. First term, 50. Ang n natin ang hanapin. Tapos, ito ang isi-simplify natin. Negative 5 times n. Negative 5 times negative 1. So, the result ay ito na. Ayan, kopya lang muna yung nasa left side. 50, yung nandito. Tingnan nyo paano sinimplify. So, positive 5. Ito ay negative 5n. So, 5 equals 50. Ayan, positive times negative 5. Ayan, isa-isa talaga. Kasi para to sa iba na nakakalimot. Okay. Nakakalimot sa integers. Okay, next. Ayan na, malinaw na yan ha. Okay, ngayon, combine similar terms. Pag pinagsama-sama natin sa isang side ng equations ang magkakasimilar terms. Ayan, 50, positive 5, tapos etong negative 5 na to, yung nasa left side. Ito yon. Once we transpose, mag-iba ang sign. Tapos, itong 5n naman, yung nasa right side, o negative 5n siya, nag-transpose, positive 5n. Okay, next. Ayan, ito yung remaining. 5n equals 50. Pero hindi pa yan tapos. Ayan, kailangan 1 ang numerical coefficient ng n, kasi nga si n nga ang hinahanap natin. So, anong property ang gagamitin natin to solve? Division property of equality. Ayan, divided by 5 both sides of the equation. So, n equals 10. Meaning, 5 is the 10th term or the a sub 10 of the sequence 50, 45, 40, 35, so on and so forth. Okay, that's all. God bless everyone.